Let's learn about colors. We have cars of different colors. These cars are beautiful. Yellow, purple, red, blue, orange, green. Now let's learn about names of animals. Pig, cow, elephant, goat, tiger, horse. Let's move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We will go on this big yellow truck. Let's make it easy for the animals to get on the large big yellow truck. The cow goes first. The cow is riding the purple car. Do you know how the cow sound is like? Listen to this. Great. 2. Tiger. Do you know how the tiger sound is like? Fantastic. 3. The elephant. The elephant is riding the orange truck. Do you know how the elephant's sound is like? Listen, kids. Nice. The elephant is a big animal. He lives in the jungle. 4. The horse. The horse is on the green truck. Do you know how does the horse's voice sound? Yes. It is a loud sound. 5. Goat. The goat is driving the blue truck. Do you know how the goat's voice sound? That was the goat's sound. 6. Pig. The pig is on the yellow car. Do you know how the pig sound is like? Okay, kids. Fantastic. Let's go on a picnic in the park. Here we are. All the animals are on the big yellow truck. They are very happy. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Goodbye, my friends.